Hello students, this is lecture 3 of chapter 2. In previous lecture I explained you about computational thinking. Computational thinking is a way of solving a complex problem. There were four main components of a computational thinking, in which the first one was decomposition, second one was pattern recognition, third one was abstraction, and fourth one was algorithm. Now in this lecture I am going to tell you about the decomposition with example. Decomposition is a process by which we divide a problem or we break down a problem into multiple smaller units. Like this, we have a big problem and now we divided this big problem into the smaller problem like this, and further we can divide these smaller problems into the multiple smaller units to solve it easily. Now understand with the example. Let us understand with the example. So in our daily life we can see the example of the decomposition. So decomposition is something we inherently do in our daily lives even if we don't realize it. For example, first example is there. If you hosted a holiday dinner, you used decomposition to select the menu. Means overall holiday dinner can be divided into smaller units like this. The first part will be there in the decomposition. What will be the menu? Second, enlist support from others in the kitchen, means who will support in the kitchen in making in cooking the food. We can select it. After that, task people with what to bring, means we can divide the task who will bring which thing. Next one, determine the process by which to cook, and next part will be there that how we will cook the food, and set the time for the event. So all these parts are decomposition process. Means a holiday dinner is divided into multiple smaller units by using the decomposition.